Good morning students, I am your maths teacher Kiran Singh. Welcome to my class Maths Pathsala. In previous video we had done worksheet 1 and we have started worksheet 2. Till question number 2 we had completed. Now we will do question number 3. Our question number 3 is evaluate. First part is 0.04 whole to the power 3 by 2. Here we can write 0.04 as 0.2 into 0.2. Here we can see 0.2 into 0.2. We can write 2 to the 4, and after 2 digit 1 and 1 2 digit we will put the decimal. Here having 1 digit, so we will put 1 0 more and then we will put the decimal. It means we can write 0.04 as 0.2 into 0.2 whole to the power 3 by 2. Here 0.2 comes 2 times, so we can write 0.2 whole square into 3 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. 0.2 whole to the power 3. It means we can write 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. And after 1, 2, 3, 3 digits we will put the decimal. But here having only 1 digit, so we will put 2 zeros more. Then we will put the decimal. In this way we have completed our first part. Now we will do the second part. Our second part is 6.25 whole to the power 3 by 2. Here also you can see 625 is a square of 25. So we can write 25 into 25 whole to the power 3 by 2. When you will multiply 25 into 25, then you will get 625, and after 1 and 1 2 digit we will put the decimal, and here also we can see here having decimal after 2 digit. So we can write 6.25 as 2.5 into 2.5. Now we can write 2.5 whole to the power 2 into 3 by 2. Here we can see 2.5 to whole to the power 3. So we can write 2.5 into 2.5 into 2.5. Now 2.5 into 2.5 into 2.5. It means cube of 25 equal to 15,625, and after 1, 2, 3, 3 digits we will put the decimal. In this way we have completed our second part. Now we will do third part. Our third part is 0.03125 whole to the power minus 2 by 5. At first we will break it. 3125. We can divide it by 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25. Now 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25. Again 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25. 5 5 are 25. It means if we will multiply 5 times, then we will get 3125. So we can write 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Why I have written 0.5? Here you can see after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, after here given the decimal, so we will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, we will write the decimal. That's why I have written it as 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 minus 2 by 5. Now we can write 0.5 whole to the power 5 into 2 by 5. These 5 will be cancelled. Now 0.5 whole to the power minus 2. And it is negative, so if we want to convert it into positive exponent, then we have to do the reciprocal. So we can write 1 upon 0.5 whole to the power 2 equal to 1 upon 0.5 into 0.5. For one decimal we will write 1, and after decimal having 1 digit, so we will write 1 0. From here also we can write 1 0. Now we will cut it. 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 1 are 5, 5 4 are 20. So our required answer will be 4. Now we will do our fourth part. Fourth part is 0.008 whole to the power 2 by 3. Here also we can write 8 as 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2 whole to the power 2 upon 3. This implies 0.2 whole to the power 3 into 2 by 3 equal to 3 will be cancelled, and now we can write 0.2 into 0.2. 2 2 ja 4, and after 2 digit we will put the decimal. So we will write 10, then we will put the decimal. In this way we have completed our question number 3. Now we will do our question number 5. Our question number 5 is, question number 4 we will do. We have completed question number 3. Our question number 4 is evaluate. First part is 6 to the power 2 plus 8 to the power 2 whole to the power 1 by 2. Here we can see 6 into 6, 6 square we can write 36. 8 square we can write 64 whole to the power 2. 64 and 36, 100 whole to the power 1 by 2, and 100 is a square of 10, so we can write 10 square into 1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled and 10 to the power 1, so we can write 10. Now we will do next part. Our next part is 5 into 8 to the power 1 by 3 plus 27 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 3, and this whole to the power 1 by 4. We will do it. 5. Here we can see 8. If we will do the cube of 3, then we will get the 8. So we can write 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. Here also 27 is a cube of 3. So we can write 3 to the power 1 by 3. And next we will write as it is. 3 will be cancelled from here also. Now we can see 3 plus 2, 5 power 3, 1 by 5. All of you knowing the meaning of bracket is multiply. So here 5 bases are same, so powers will be added. Here we can write as 1, so powers will be added 1 plus 3, 1 by 4. Now 5 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. 4 will be cancelled. Now we will get the answer 5. Now we will do next part. Our next part, third part is 17 square minus 8 square whole to the power 1 by 2. We can write 17 square of 17 equal to 289 minus square of 8 equal to 64 whole to the power 1 by 2. Now we will subtract 9 minus 4 equal to 5, 8 minus 6 equal to 2 and 2. And 225 is square of 15. So we can write 15 square into 1 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. In this way we will get the answer 15. Now we will do our fourth part. Our fourth part is 1 square plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. It is cube minus 5 by 2. 1 cube means if we will multiply 1 3 times, then we will get 1. 2 cube means 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 2 ja 8. 2 cube means we can write 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So we will write here 8. Similarly 3 cube equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Then we will get 27 whole to the power minus 5 by 2. Now we will add 7 1 8, 8 8 16 and 2 1 1 3, 36 whole to the power minus 5 by 2. Now we can write 6 square. 36 is a square of 6, so we can write 6 square into minus 5 by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Now we can write 6 to the power minus 5. Now we will convert it with positive exponent. We can write 1 upon 6 to the power 5. This implies 1 upon 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. We will write 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Now we will multiply it. 6 6 are 36 and 6 6 is 36. Square of 36 is 1296. Square of 36 equal to 1296. Now again we will multiply it by 6. 6 6 is 36. Now 3 carry. 9 6 is 54 and 3 57. Now 5 carry. 6 2 is 12. 12 5 17. 1 carry. 6 1 is 6 1 7. So we will get the answer 1 upon 7776. In this way we have completed this question also. In next video we will do more questions. Thank you students for watching me.